What's up guys, welcome to another video. So I'm in London South Hall today and we will be trying the newly opened Bikaner Wala today. So I am originally from Delhi, India, and the biggest thing I miss is the Delhi style chole bhature. So today I'm going to Bikaner Wala and my hopes are really high that I get those Delhi wale chole bhature here. So you can see this is the King Street South Hall where this shop is located. So I'm just going to enter this shop from here. This is the South Hall market. So it's located on the King Street South Hall, and yeah, this is the outside. I'm just going to enter inside and yeah, show you the views. So guys, we have got our table inside this Bikaner Wala and this is the menu. So the first thing you can see inside the menu is this Desi Ghee Chole Bhature. So this is their best selling item and I am very excited for this dish. So this is the one that I'm going to order. We might order something else as well to accompany this, but yeah, this is their menu at a high level. I'll show you the menu in detail. They've got rice, dal tadka, dal makhni, all reasonably priced. You can have stuffed parantha, some Chinese as well. I might try their Indo-Chinese. Currently it's very cold in London, so you can always go for this makke ki roti, sarson ka saag as well here. They have got the traditional aloo tikki, chaat, papdi, some of the cold beverages and all. So yeah, I am ordering chole bhature and once it comes, I will first eat that and then give you the review how the taste is. I'll show you the next clip of chole bhature, hopefully. So guys, this is their counter. So if you need to order something, you need to go at the counter. It's just like the system in India where we go to the counter and order, so it's almost the same. I really hope the chole bhature are also the same as India. So yeah, I'm going to go to the counter and order some chole bhature and some dahi puri. Okay guys, so I have ordered one chole bhature and one dahi puri. So the chole bhature are priced at $8.95 and then dahi puri is priced at $5.95. I really hope chole bhature should be worth the price. People have been saying that it's the closest they have eaten in terms of the proper Delhi wale chole bhature, and that's what I am hoping for. So yeah, I'll show you the food once it comes at my table. Okay guys, finally our chole bhature is here. So you can see they gave 2 bhaturas, some onions, pickle, and this is the chole. On top you can see a green chili over there. At the first look, the chole looks amazing and looks like the Delhi wale chole bhature. So I'm just going to eat it and let you know my review. Okay guys, I'm trying the first bite of this Bikaner wala chole bhature. Okay, it smells really amazing. Let me try. Wow, this is so good. The chole is so good, so spicy, and the bhaturas are really fluffy. I've taken the first bite. Let me take the second bite with a bit of pickle. Dip it inside. really nice. So the chole and bhatures are made in desi ghee. They have been cooked really nicely. And my honest opinion is that whatever chole bhaturas in whichever places I have eaten in London, these are the closest you can get to the proper Delhi wale chole bhature. So this is really good. I'm going to finish this and see you in the next clip. Okay guys, so we have also ordered one plate of dahi puri. So you can see you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of dahi puri in one plate. So I'm just going to grab one and eat it. One thing about this is that they have maintained the actual Delhi wala taste here in the dahi puri as well. So I think all the items in the menu might be worth trying. I'm going to try all these items at some point, but for now, for today, I'm going to enjoy this dahi puri and chole bhature. Thanks for watching this video. For more such content, please like, subscribe and keep rocking. Thank you.